Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we got this Honda Accord here and we're gonna replace the battery. If you have this Honda Accord, same body, same shape, and you need to replace the battery, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so I have a battery here. This is 30-month warranty, AC Delco, cold cranking amps are 500. Okay, these batteries they're small and tiny, but I'm gonna show you how to use it, how to replace it without losing any memory on the radio or losing the idle, without even shutting off the engine, and it's safe and easy to do. Okay, so let's get this job on. First thing first, turn off all the lights. Let's turn off the lights. If you have AC, blow motor, anything like that, shut it off. Okay, let me just make sure we shut this off. Okay, off, so nothing is on, and the lights are off. So here's the battery. The battery has a hook here that's holding the battery down. There's a small little tiny hook over here, and there's a battery sensor. This will cause, if this gets disconnected, you have a battery light on. But all you do is you simply just remove this, and we're gonna turn this. This works like a screw. Okay, do not take this off. Loosen this and loosen this, and the whole battery should just simply come out. But before that, make sure your battery, the positive, negative, the battery is saying that, so the positive is here. Perfect, so we're good there. So it's time for us to remove this thing. Okay, so before we do anything, if you turn this little guy will come off, and then you can loosen up the number 10 below that. There's a little number 10 on that hook. Don't drop the hook. What I like to do is just loosen it up. Okay, this hook goes all the way down there, and loosen up both sides. Once both sides are out, this whole bracket here will come out. Don't let it touch the positive there. Okay, this will come out, and what you're gonna do is, okay, what happened here? This closed up on me. All right, so now it's ready to remove and install. Okay, the terminal looks pretty clean, and we don't need to worry about cleaning them. They look pretty clean. Okay, so let me set up my camera. We're gonna take it out in 1 second, pull it out, put the new battery in. Do not let positive touch anywhere. It cannot ground here. Don't let it ground anywhere. You can stick it down below here because it's plastic, but just don't let it touch anywhere metal. Okay, we got good lighting here. So what we're gonna do is, let's loosen this up, and let's loosen this up. Not this one, the one after that, one that's actually on the battery terminal. So we're gonna remove this side, and the engine's gonna keep running. Okay, it's not gonna shut off. That's how you're not gonna lose any of the memory or anything on the computer or the radio code. And if this doesn't come out like that, get a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I got my flathead screwdriver here. I just want to lift up this terminal. It was a little bit jammed up, and what's gonna happen here is this battery is gonna simply come right up. The whole tray is coming. We don't want the whole tray to come. Okay, it's a weird system here. Okay, here comes our new battery. Make sure you take off the cover of the old one and reuse it on this one. And this goes on just like that. Okay, now we're gonna connect the negative and put on the positive also. And you're all done pretty much here. Let's tighten up the negative. And the positive. What's going on? Okay, this is perfect. I am gonna spray this with some type of greasing for the battery. So let me go get that. So here's a spray I'm gonna use, but I'm not gonna spray it yet because we still gotta put the bracket in. Other than that, I might get it on myself. So let me take my camera in, and nah, we don't need to take it in. So what we're gonna do is simply get this side of the hook and this side of the hook in there, and we should be all done. Okay, so the hook goes down there, it holds on to that, and then you simply just lock it in place. Same thing here on this side. Okay, there you go. Perfect, we're all done. Double check your work. Double check your work. And what you're gonna do is, this one, you don't have to turn it, you just stick it in. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And here comes the spray for the battery here. I like to spray this. This keeps things lubricated, nice and clean. Thank you for watching. And that's the spray right there. There's a part number right there.